Hello and welcome. My name is Deanna Russell and I am the instructor for this course, Aromatherapy Foundational Concepts. You may have noticed that essential oils and aromatherapy have kind of taken over the world by storm. It's true, they're a lot more popular now than they've ever been before. This course is going to help you navigate how to choose essential oils. You do not have to be an essential oil representative of any company. This course is brand neutral. What I want to do in this course is something a little bit different than the other courses that are available. I want to give you the tools that you need to use essential oils effectively, safely, and quickly. I'm looking for my blending wheel as part of this toolkit. Some of the projects that you will be making in this course include making a massage oil blend, making a diffuser blend for your diffuser, or if you don't have a diffuser, to make it for your shower or for bath. And another project to make in this course is a room spray. We're going to be covering essential oil profiles of 12 different essential oils, one of which is rosemary. I have loved experimenting ever since I was very, very small. And now I am privileged to have my own distilling machine. It's just a little small unit, but I make my own essential oils and I love being able to do that. You'll see on some of the slides some of the shots from the distilling process. So that's what those pictures are of, in case you were wondering. This is a very practical and hands-on approach to aromatherapy, and it is all the things that I wish that I had known at the very beginning. It's an excellent way to start your foundation for using essential oils for the rest of your life, and it's also a good refresher course even if you've used essential oils in the past.